Clayton here with Oxbow Gear, and today I'm not only going to be showing you what comes in the Voyager helmet light kit, but also what makes this kit one of the best helmet lights on the market. Stay tuned. The light itself is constructed of a high-grade, lightweight aluminum that only weighs 2.1 ounces. So even if you have two of these bad boys mounted to your helmet, you're not even going to really notice that it's there if you can tell at all. The dual LED optics are specifically designed with riding in mind, so they're going to provide a nice, smooth, even beam pattern that allows your peripheral vision to see what's going on, and it's not going to leave you with that tunnel vision. This is important because your peripheral vision is what helps you to see depth, so it's just going to make it a lot more comfortable experience riding at night when you can see kind of a little bit more what's going on the sides and what's going on around you instead of just a spotlight right down the middle. On high, the light produces 2100 lumens and it'll run for 3 hours before dimming. It comes with 4 different power modes: a low, medium, high, and then a strobe function as well for emergencies. The power button on the back also doubles as a battery capacity indicator light, so it'll tell you how much battery life you have remaining. When it's green, you know you've got more than 70% capacity left. Then it will turn to orange and you have 30 to 70%. Then it will turn to red, at which point you have 10 to 30%. And then it will begin flashing red, and that means you have less than 10% battery capacity left. So this is helpful to kind of gauge how much light you have left, and you can make any necessary adjustments that you need either heading back to the truck, or you can lower it down to a lower setting where you know you're going to have a longer lifespan. Within the light, we've built in a heat sensor to protect it from overheating. So just to be clear, if you're ever riding and there's any kind of airflow over the light, you're not going to overheat. Well, let's say you're sitting on the side of the trail, you're just talking with some buddies, you have your light on. There's a chance it could start to get really hot. That's just the nature of having 2100 lumens in such a small little case. Now, instead of building a bigger, heavier light to combat this, we put the sensor in there, and what it will do is it will auto dim the light when it gets too hot to protect the light from overheating, protect the circuit board, all that kind of stuff. Once the light reaches a safe temperature, it'll automatically power back up to whichever mode you had it set at. So this just helps to increase the life of your light, make sure nothing gets damaged or anything like that from getting too hot. One really cool feature about our mounting system is it's a 360-degree rotating mount. So this means that you can literally mount the light wherever you want, and you're always going to be able to get it aligned properly to get the light centered in your vision. So for example, if you mount the light to the side of your helmet, which a lot of guys like to do, typically, when your helmet is facing down, you know, a light that doesn't have a 360-degree rotating mount, you're only going to be able to rotate it left and right. So the light might be pointed down too much. So with our mount, you can twist it up to get it right in the right view. However you need it, you can tighten it down, and it's going to stay put. We've added a coiled cord to the light for extra comfort so that your helmet never yanks on a stiff cord. The coil starts immediately after the point at which the cable would be tucked behind your goggle strap. The lithium-ion rechargeable battery pack comes in a nice velcro case, so you can attach this to your handlebars, a belt loop, a backpack strap, anywhere that you want to put this. Personally, I like to also run a light on my number plate, so then I just attach the battery to my handlebars, and then I've got a headlight on my dirt bike. The battery itself is built into a waterproof aluminum housing, so when it's in your backpack getting banged around, it's going to stay safe and protected. It's not going to get dented or anything like that. The now optional amber lens cover, sold separately, easily snaps on and off onto the Voyager light. This is an incredible option for those of you who are going to be riding in really dusty conditions, or if you're going to be snowmobiling in snow, stuff like that. The amber lens color really helps to cut through those different elements to increase your visibility. The kit comes with a standard wall charger to charge your battery up in about 5 hours. Next, we've got the curved plus the flat GoPro style adhesive mounts. So the curved is generally used for mounting on helmets and obviously any curved surfaces. The flat is obviously for flat surfaces. I've used these for mounting the light to like a number plate or something like that. And lastly, we have the storage case. In my opinion, it's very convenient to have a storage case that I can throw all of the different light kit components into the case and throw the whole kit in my backpack. And that way, when I'm out riding, I know if something happens or I end up in the dark, I have everything with me that I need to run the light. Everything's there. It's going to be organized, protected, and ready to go when I need it. And that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to chat with you. And with that, I hope to see you on the trails.